Luke, a street vendor, made a living selling cheap snacks. He struggled with all his might every day. One day, he saw Dylan, a wealthy entrepreneur dressed in fine clothes, walk out of an upscale cafe, holding a cup of premium coffee in his hand. He then prayed to God, "This is unfair. I work day and night, yet I live such a miserable life." God asked, "What does fairness look like in your eyes?" Luke said firmly, "Make him as poor as me. Give each of us a crate of oranges, $50, a small stall, and 15 days. If he can still turn his life around, I will never complain for the rest of my life." It's a deal. As soon as God finished speaking, Dylan instantly lost all his wealth, exactly the same crate of oranges, money, and stall as Luke's. On the first day, Luke dumped the oranges haphazardly on his stall and shouted at the top of his lungs as hard as he could, "Oranges, $1 each." He sold 10 oranges and earned $10. He closed his stall early and went to the nearest diner to buy a hot hamburger and a glass of iced soda. It was his first decent meal in weeks. "That's enough for today," he thought as he ate. "I'll work harder on the rest tomorrow." Dylan, however, first wiped every orange until it was shiny and bright, then sorted them by size, small ones for $1 each, large ones for $2 each. He cut a few slices to make samples and handed them to passers-by politely. By noon, all 30 oranges were sold out, and he earned $45. He didn't spend a single cent and saved all of it. Early the next morning, Luke found half of his crate of oranges rotten and had to throw them away with tears in his eyes. Dylan, on the other hand, used the $45 to buy 2 more crates of fresh oranges, made orange cups that sold for $3 each, and even reached a cooperation with the convenience store next door to let them sell his products on consignment. He hired a student to man the stall while he went to find better quality sources of oranges. 15 days passed in the blink of an eye. Luke only had $8 left in his pocket, and his stall was empty and covered in dust. Dylan, however, had built a stable supply chain, had 3 part-time helpers, signed monthly supply contracts with 3 stores, earned $1,200, and was preparing to open a fresh juice stand. Luke stared at all this in silence. God spoke, "Luke, you saw the oranges as a tool to exchange for a meal, while Dylan saw them as seeds to nurture value. Money is just a tool, but the ability to spot opportunities, solve problems, and create value for others, that is the true source of wealth. The rich do not chase money. They chase ways to make people's lives easier, meet their needs, and turn small resources into greater value. Even if you take away their money, their way of thinking remains. That is why they stand up again and again."